Hi guys, welcome to the final video and the final change to the order form. What I'm going to do now is take you through how you can do an order just by entering into the code. You can always do a combination of using the order form like you have in the past and by entering into the code. So I'm now on the summary page. We just went through that ribbon beforehand. Now these three red buttons simply allow you to move around the summary page. So the top obviously just keeps at the top of the page. Summary takes you to where the summary section is, which we were working on in the previous video. And then the codes button, which is what I'm going to work on now, is how you enter directly by code. Now this button here, the code button, can also be reached on the order form page. Next to that back button, go back button, there is order by codes. So there's two different places in which you can get to the code section. And the code section is simply just lower on the summary page. So when we're entering by code, we use the same ribbon that we used when we were making changes to the summary. So this is very simple. All you have to do here is put in the code, and I'm going to use an example of 3834. And when you press return, it actually comes up with what the description is, so you know what you're ordering. And then again, quantity is simply a matter of on the ribbon, you can put the minimum, you can add 1, you can add 3, you can add 6, you can enter something in manually. And if you do manually, again, remember to press the manual button afterwards. You can also remove the item as well. So let's say I do 3834 and I want to put in, just scrolling back, let's say I wanted to put in 3 of those, and I want to put in item 3835, and I want to put in, say, 6 of those. That is all. That is done. And now if I move to the summary section of the order form, you'll see those two. Well, it's hard to see because there's a number of items here, but those 2 items have been added to the summary. And then again from here, of course, you can add or remove them from there. Now, if you have, for example, a customer reading your numbers over the phone, or you using your sales folder and you've got the code and you just want to put the code in directly, that is a very useful way of entering into the item. Now, the last thing I just wanted to mention is the only other button on this new ribbon that we haven't gone through is this first button, and all that says there is enable and disable the draw button. Now, one of the unfortunate features of Microsoft is that's when you want to get a customer to sign, you're unable to use the pen when this ribbon is stuck on the page. So by pressing disable draw, all that does is gets rid of the ribbon and allows you to then use the pen. But when you want to keep this stuck at the top of the page again, you need to press it again. So simply, when you want to use the pen, press that button, and then when you're not using the pen, press this button again. I hope that makes sense. So that is the final summary of the videos. I hope you found that useful. I am available if anybody's got any follow-up questions. Any suggestions, please contact me, because I'm trying to make the order form as user-friendly as possible. All the best. Enjoy the rest of the conference. Bye.